Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is Sprint here and it's Fifi Stick. I don't actually remember the last time I posted a video in here, but the channel is finally back, all right? And I have a big news for you guys and for myself personally, all right? So I have with me this MacBook Air that is 2022 version. That is, it has the M2 chip, all right, with 16 gig RAM and 256 SSD. Okay, this is like a basic MacBook Air. Okay, that I'm going to be unboxing. Tell you guys what I think. Okay, I needed a laptop that is going to help me in school and with my teaching, right? I'm an English teacher. So with teaching, with editing, okay, as most of the time I'll be outside, I needed a laptop that is going to, give me long hours without being touched, all right? So I found this as a perfect option. So we are going to do the unboxing and see what we got inside. Okay. Right? So we're going to get this of it, right? I think I don't actually recall the colors that they have, but they have midnight and this is starlight. Okay, I saw a lot of videos online that people were complaining about the midnight. They were saying it leaves marks, your finger marks on the laptop. So I decided to go in for the starlight. Okay. So this is it. So we have this mega safe. So I think with the M1, they didn't have this mega safe. They only had 2 slots for charging and the other slot for, video display. And this is a charger, okay? Small, right? But you can go in for an adapter that I don't know how many volts this has, but I'm going to check and put in the video later on. Okay, you can simply go for a higher volt. I don't remember if this is 30, but you can go for a higher volt. So this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. Voila, it's already on. All right, take this off. Okay, so as you guys saw, it's already on. All right, the screen of this laptop is, oh my god, I don't know what to say, but I like what I'm seeing. Right. So I'm going to do all the configurations needed and I'm going to use it, okay, for a couple of days. And later on, I'll come and tell you guys what I think about this MacBook Air. Like I said, I'm a student, so it will be more doing my assignment, teaching, having English classes, right, opening work, a little bit of coding or programming, and yeah, so that is it. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, this is just a comeback video, okay, with a machine. Stay tuned as there are going to be more videos coming out, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.